Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook glory collard greens in a bag, step by step. First, empty the bag of greens into a colander and rinse them thoroughly under cold running water. This helps remove any dirt or debris. Next, inspect the greens and remove any tough stems or yellowed leaves. Finally, chop the cleaned greens into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, ensuring they cook evenly and are easy to eat. This preparation is key for delicious results. Now, let's build some flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 1 medium-sized diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to the hot oil. Sauté these aromatics, stirring occasionally until they become softened and wonderfully fragrant. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Don't rush this step, as it forms the base of your greens' delicious taste. It's time to add the liquid and greens. Pour 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth into the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Stir in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a touch of warmth and spice. Now, add your chopped collard greens to the pot, gently pushing them down so they are mostly submerged in the flavorful broth. Finally, let's finish cooking these delicious greens. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 45 to 60 minutes or until the greens are tender. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. These greens are perfect as a side dish. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.